What is up, guys? Welcome to 99 Bitcoins just in. BNB hits new all-time high, $1,353. That is absolutely insane, ladies and gents. And I just want to touch on BNB because it is going absolutely crazy. And we can see here BNB held strong whilst others plunged. CZ denies selling or manipulating the token and says BNB recent strength is all organic. Whilst most altcoins dropped like 70 to 90%, BNB actually gained 7% on the week. So BNB looking sharp and looking rather strong at the moment. So quick little price prediction. We'll also look at another coin in this video which could potentially do very well. Now $1,315 at the moment in the price valuation. Obviously, it dropped all the way down to $970 and then swung straight back up to 1,315. That is some insane volatility. Really held some integral layers of support. It did not go anywhere near some of these lows here at like $1,100. And just looking at that low wick down, it just touched at 850. By the seconds, right, by the minutes, and this thing shot straight back up on the very same day, and 3 days ahead of the crash, it already hit an all-time high at 1375 according to the Binance exchange right here, 1373, 1374, something like this. So obviously naturally there's a lot of resistance at these peaks, at these tops, but it's great to see BNB hit this all-time high. So now we're seeing it sideways trade in this sideways channel, where it could indeed see a bit of volatility. We could retest from 1100, we could come back down, we could retest on the resistance 1400, or we could even create price discovery and go to 1500 or something like this, which would be absolutely insane. So obviously BNB tokens right now doing well, things like Pancake Swap, things that are heavily pegged. You know, when it comes to Binance or BNB TVL, we are seeing a really good amount of momentum at the moment. BNB recently hit 78 on the relative strength index here on its RSI 14 close, and we can see 52 it dropped down to recently. So still looking solid, still looking really strong. On the weekly RSI, however, we are very overbought, which does potentially lead to signals that we might see a pullback soon for BNB because of the euphoria and the amount of positive price action that we've been seeing. It's quite a bearish looking weekly candle with a lot of upper selling pressure. But the previous week's, close, that buying pressure was just absolutely absurd. It's hard to say exactly how much more upside we're going to see for BNB, but we do recognize that we have a lot of support around $850, $789, and a ton of support written around $650. So there's some areas I'd be very interested in getting back into BNB. Personally, I'm not buying BNB at these levels, but we could be seeing altcoins rise soon. Altcoins are worth 1.7 trillion right now, which is actually less than they were worth in 2021. However, we could be seeing altcoins retest $1.74 trillion, which will actually lead altcoins to reach a parabolic new price discovery and high. So alt could start to do very well. One coin that a lot of traders are recognizing and rotating into is this Snort token, which goes live in 7 days and 3 hours. They've raised 4.6 million. One Snort coin is 0.1077, and it says last chance to buy Snort. USDT raised $4.6 million. So you have the option to buy with crypto or buy with card. But effectively, in a nutshell, this is a Solana meme crypto trading bot. It's got a ton of juicy benefits here. You can see Snort token, 20th of October, 2025. Time is running out. You can check this one out down below, of course, guys, but this is not financial advice. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Buy with crypto is all you got to do, and use one of your favorite wallets here. And basically, once you've done that, you'll be able to convert either Ethereum or Tether into your desired amount of the coins. So this is featured across a load of massive websites like Crypto Daily, News Bitcoin, and it says here, sniff out the meme market with Snorter. You're going to get the lowest fees on Solana, super fast execution, front running and MEV protection as well, and a bunch of other juicy insights. You're also going to get fast, secure swapping, automated sniping, limit orders, copy trading, rug pull protection, and honeypot detection at the same time. So the product is certainly robust and, has some really solid UPSs here, which clearly do look quite bullish as we're looking at this particular, comparison between different bots that you can use. So clearly it's, looking better than BonkBot. It's looking better than the Banana Gun bot. Because it's got more of these green ticks. So this could be an absolute crazy coin, guys. It's at the end of its roadmap. It will be launching just in a week's time. The link is down below, so please do have a look at it. I think it could potentially do pretty well. and hopefully it will do well. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose, and do some research on the token down below. Thanks for watching this video on 99 Bitcoin. Subscribe if you're new here, like the video, and let us know in the comments, where do you think BNB will be at the end of the week?